on the road, and they say the key to remote work is finding a balance between chasing dreams and chasing cell signals. There's some nice clips of dream chasing in here, but I know for a fact that this poor soul spent most of this week chasing cell signals in Forks, Washington, because there ain't no signal anywhere near Kalaloch.
Surfer waves. Hit by like a 5-foot wave, and it ragdolled me up until here. Careful.
Island or whatever she called it. Yeah, start at James Island and then just go along the horizon. See that bump?
And fall back. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, she's gonna. So cold at first. How do you think we go?
You just slip and fall and go.
To the river, to the river we go. Leave our worries on the shore and drift away. On the river we know. Sometimes the perfect words are never said. I spilled my coffee, I don't feel like talking. My worries just keep growing by the day. I need a moment where the green and blue appear, to spin a rock and watch the ricochet. To the river we go. Leave our worries on the shore and drift away.
She didn't skip her actions.
I can just draw too if I have.
Okay, well next, on your next turn, just lay down some passion, okay? It's fine, nobody's gonna take that from you.
You can't do that.
Just put it down, nobody's taking it from you.
It's not that deep either.
1, 2, 3 actions. Fresh, you're up.
Let's just say that the streaks have cleared out.